Welcome to the learning graveyard. Where spooky wording ain't so hard. In every dark corner there won't be a quarter, but you'll find a friend named Jack-O-Lern. Jack-O-Lern, oh so weird. Halloween is not so feared. Explore horror themes with Jack-O-Lern, and all your fears will overturn. So come on, little witches and monsters.
Hello, little witches and monsters. I am Jack-O-Lern.
I am Myst, the mad scientist.
In today's episode, Myst, the mad scientist is going to show us a magical trick powered by science.
Yep, that's right. National Geographic Mega Science Series for our experiments.
Science magic kit? Cool.
Yep, and today's lesson is...
Make fireworks in your milk. To view our What to Get list, check the description below. Adult supervision required.
Cool. But what's the science behind the experiment?
Whoa! Wow! Wasn't that incredible? Yeah! The science behind the experiment. This experiment depends on surface tension, but it also has a new element, fat. Milk is mostly water, but it also contains fat molecules that don't dissolve in that water. Soap molecules have one end that is attracted to the water and one end that is repelled by it. When the soap hits the milk in the plate, one end of the molecule wraps and twists around, trying to surround all the fat molecules it is attracted to, while the other end attaches to the water molecules and breaks up the surface tension. The food coloring is soluble, so it is attached to the water molecules, making it possible to see all the dramatic molecular action that's taking place.
Huh?
Wow, that was exciting.
Sure was. I hope you enjoyed the episode. We will see you again soon.
Have a haunted day.
Bye.
Bye.
Jack-O-Lern, oh so weird. Halloween is not so fear. Explore horror themes.
Oh, and you can follow my YouTube channel too. Link is in the description below.